What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to make Popeye Chicken Sandwich. Popeye is well known for their fried chicken and chicken sandwich. I always buy the chicken sandwich with DoorDash. If you don't know DoorDash is sort of like food delivery platform where you can order food or maybe order grocery and they will deliver in front of your house. No, it's not a promotion. Anyway, I just want to show you how much I spend for one chicken sandwich. Actually, their chicken sandwich is not bad. I just like it without pickle. I think it's better without pickle. It tastes juicy, delicious. Yeah. Okay. Without further ado, I will show you how I replicate the recipe from one of my favorite YouTuber, Joshua Weissman. I will skip most part. I only show you the important part of the video since it's a little bit longer. And also for the ingredients, I will modify most part. I don't have stuff like serrano powder to make this delicious chicken sandwich. So here we go, my modified Popeye sandwich recipe.
Off, I started by making my Japanese milk buns, which is my burger bun recipe. The link will be in the description if you haven't seen it already. And I got those risen, baked off, and all that. I felt like this was the proper type of bun because it's lofty, it's soft, it's a little bit sweet, and it's got a great.
So, based on the video, Joshua said we have to prepare the bun. So I decided to challenge myself to make my own burger bun. Following the video in the description or you can see in the card above. It is a little bit longer than what I expected, so I would suggest to buy it in the store and you can put it in the fridge if you plan to make it 2 or 3 days after. Anything can work for the bun as long as it is burger bun. Actually, I failed making the bun. It was really hard to chew and the yeast wasn't rice enough. I was so sad. So good thing I didn't show the steps while making the bun here.
So first we're going to marinate these bad boys. Now to make the marinade, you're going to need 2 cups or 473 milliliters of buttermilk. Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons or 7 grams of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of serrano powder. If you're wondering where I got that, I actually made it myself. There's a video coming soon about it. You can also just use something else spicy. Whisk that together and you've got your marinade. Really simple. Then you're going to take 4 to 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. One quick note about chicken thighs. For one, you want to make sure that these are some big boys. Don't use little chicken thighs, use the biggest ones you can get, and don't trim too much fat off. You want some of that fat for the juicy, you know what I'm saying? I recommend thigh over breast for this because they're much harder to overcook. Add them to the marinade, toss them around, make sure that they're submerged, cover that with plastic wrap, and then place it in the refrigerator to marinate for at least an hour or overnight. I find that they're a lot better overnight though.
So before we get into marinade process, we should prepare the chicken breast. I got this from Costco. It's called Crippland, fresh and natural, 99% fat free. It's quite a lot that you can fit, I think 5 people or 7 people, I guess. So let's see how it goes. And also I have washed my chicken, and then I use chicken breast instead of thigh. But I love breast better because I don't have to separate the bone and the meat like you used to with the chicken thigh. So here we go. Let's slice it first because it's really thick. So you need to cut it into 2. Let's see if I still can do it. In this step, we are going to pound the chicken. Even though the video that Joshua showed, he didn't pound the chicken, but we will do. Because we want to chew it softer, I mean the chicken. And here we go. Since I care about the environment, I also wanted to use the plastic to cover the breast and pound it. Instead, I used the apron to cover the bottom of the cutting board so it won't break the tile of my kitchen. And you shouldn't pound it too hard, and also you shouldn't pound it too soft. So just so, because you still want to keep the consistency of the chicken breast. For the fat, you can keep it or you can remove it. So, I'm gonna use 2 until 3 cups of milk, kosher salt or Himalayan salt. I use Himalayan salt. Yeah, it's 2 teaspoons or until 3 teaspoons of the salt. And then I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, but I'm gonna use more. So it's just preference. I like the garlic is more strong in my chicken, so you can use more. And then I will use coriander. This is totally optional, but I will use like about 1 tablespoon of coriander. I will use chili powder. I want it more spicy, so I will use 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Also love the white pepper, so I will use this. It's optional. You can replace it with black pepper. Yeah, about 1 tablespoon. I will put just about 2 teaspoons. Yeah, something like that. Not really much because it's already spicy. I just want to add like more aromatic into the milk. And then let's mix it together. And let's put the chicken inside the milk. Ooh, I like the smell. Oh my god, the smell of the marinade. Yeah, let's leave it in the fridge for about an hour. Or it's best to leave it overnight because the chicken will be tastier and crispier. I guess that's the word. Yep, it will be more juicy. So let's wait until an hour. So after the chicken being marinated, we are going to prepare the flour to cover the chicken and fry it. So this is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of paprika. You see the red one. You can use a teaspoon of paprika if you don't like spicy, and then a tablespoon instead of a teaspoon of garlic powder. I use more of the garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of mushroom powder instead of just 1 teaspoon, I guess, in the video, and it said oyster mushroom powder, but you can use any type of mushroom powder or maybe just MSG basically. Yeah. You don't have to use oyster mushroom powder. So this is for the sauce. I will use 3 tablespoons of honey mustard. If you like mustard or anything like typical mustard, you can use it. But I prefer honey mustard. I will use like 2 tablespoons, I guess, of chili sauce if you don't like spicy. So just skip it because the chicken already spicy, but I just want more spicy on my chicken. And you can use Kewpie mayonnaise. Just put 1 tablespoon of Kewpie. Let's see how it goes. So here we go. I already put everything here and you just mix it together. So before coating the chicken, I'm going to heat up the air fryer. So I will use two kind of frying. First is air fryer, so I'm gonna heat it up for 390 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And this one, air fryer, so I'm gonna set it up to 375 Fahrenheit. I already have this chicken. I have put in the fridge for 1 hour until 2 hours. And this is the tomato that I have prepared later for the sandwich. And this is the sauce that we have made before. And let's start to coat it. So for the coating part, we're going to remove the excess of the milk, dry it, and then put inside the flour and squeeze it. I think based on the Joshua step that I need to put little bit of water, so I forgot about it, so I will put it now. Let's put little bit of milk inside this coating flour, so it's not really dry. I will put little bit of oil. Yep. And then let's put what we have here. And add little bit of oil on the top of it. Yep. Make it 390 for 15 minutes. But we need to take a look like every 5 minutes. I would suggest just put one at a time because it's big, but if you have smaller one, you can put until 2. Fry it until it's golden brown. Same with the air fryer. Okay, let's prepare the burger bun. This is what I made. Yep. And the chicken, tomato. It's totally up to you if you want to put on bottom or on the top. And let's add the sauce. Ooh, yummy. I'm bad at plating, but I guess you guys can do it better than me. Feel free to add more sauce. Yep. And then cover it. Yep, here we go.